Hey everyone, Deb here. I just have a few things I would like to share with you. I went shopping for a few things. Well, I'm on receive. I had a surprise, but these weren't a surprise. I bought a new Canon inkjet printer. I used to have an HP. It did, scan, fax, copy, all that stuff, and it was pretty heavy duty printer, but it stopped accepting any ink cartridges, including the genuine ones. So I'm buying only genuine from now on, but this is Canon. They're still expensive. Yeah, those I got from Canon directly. I have to shop around. And then, I'm in the Spellbinders, two clubs. I'm in the large die and the embossing folder of the month. So for the month of December, December, this is the large die and this is the embossing folder. So let me put this paper down and show them to you. This says love you and cheers. So this is clearly meant for New Year's probably. However, I think you could use it for um, anniversaries, weddings, anything like that if you so choose, or anything you want to celebrate. And here they give some examples. Die cut and assemble, die cut and assemble for the glasses. Oh, so it cuts two glasses out at the same time. I guess this is wine and this is martini or something? I don't know. I guess it could be wine or champagne. Champagne's usually the skinny ones, right? I guess a smaller cocktail glass. I don't know. Emboss and ink the background. I'll show you that in a minute. Die cut sparkles. Arrange die cuts on cards. So you have these little sparkle things. And this looks like bubbly in the... I don't know what those are. Bubbly in the water? I really am not sure what these are. I guess I'll have to figure it out. But these are definitely the sparklies. And then this is like the label on the bottle. And this, I think, is also like for the top of the bottle. And there's a little circle and a heart. The heart they've used in the glasses. And so anyway, it's cute. I don't have a bottle like that. And then this is the embossing folder of the month. It's kind of hard to see. Let me take it out of the plastic. If I can figure out how to do that. Here it is. Now, their embossing folders are large, and I like that. They're harder to store, but you can use them for slimline, for 5x7s, for A2, because the folder size is 5.5 by 8.5. And this is what it looks like. I think you can probably see it better. Let me dim this light a little. Yeah. So that is what it looks like. Is it 3D? It doesn't say 3D. It is called Tiled Hearts. Tiled Hearts. And here's the number, EOM-DEC 23. It's very pretty. I like it. This would be nice for Valentine's also. So yeah, I can't wait to play with them. I still have not played with the ones from last month, which were, I think, this was one of them. I don't know if this was November or December. Oh, maybe it tells me. Hang on. Oh no, this was September. I don't remember what last month's was. I'm sure it's close by. Close by. Yeah, September was Fall Gnomes for the Stampin' Die of the month. I think I got that on special. But this was September. I don't have the November or October. Oh, sorry. Handy here. Oh, one of them. No, I'm not going to say that either. I don't know, but I'm going to try and come back every month and at least do a project or two with these products because I need to use what I have or they'll end up in the Crack the Vault collab a year from now, you know? So anyway, that's that. And then in the mail, I got a surprise from my Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. It was kind of funny because the day before I received this on Thursday. Yeah. Wednesday or Thursday. I can't remember now. Anyway, I had been watching a few demonstrator videos of they get to pre-order, you know, this new mini catalog that's effective January 4th for Stampin' Up! I'm not a demonstrator anymore, so this is what the catalog looks like, and this is what Celebration looks like. Now, my demonstrator sent me some things besides a wish list, which I already have written down, and it's too much. I have to cut it back. But she made me a card, and her business card's in here. This is one of the new sweets. I think it's called Lavender something. I forgot. Lavender Perennials? Lavender Forever? I don't know. It is my favorite paper in the new mini catalog, and these are some of the dies that go with one of the two Stampin' die sets. One is Sentiments and postage stamp dies, which I so want. I've been looking around for those actually, and I don't think I have a set, so I'll be getting the postage stamp dies. And probably the other one is stamps and dies that are the lavender that coordinate with the paper. And the paper, this little snippet of it doesn't really do it justice. I know these craft note cards are also in the Stampin' Up! I think they're in the annual catalog still, unless they retired. I can't remember. And I think they're still available or she wouldn't be using them. And then this is Celebration paper she gave me a sample of, and I love this. So if I get anything from Celebration, it's probably going to be this paper. Although now that I have some, maybe I'll pick something else. Isn't this gorgeous? And this, I think, color is Pecan Pie. I love this one. It's so sweet for spring. Little birdies, they look like bluebirds, which I do have here. They're like orange-breasted bluebirds. Gorgeous. And this color, I think, is Lost Lagoon. I'm not going to know all these colors, but beautiful. These look like dogwood flowers, which I have. I have a white dogwood tree, not a pink one. Just so pretty. And then this is maybe boho blue, I'm guessing. I don't know. And then this one with the branches going up and down. Just so pretty. If you like birds, this paper is for you. I happen to love birds. Yeah, that one's all floral. I think there's no birds on that one, just flowers. And then these cute little birds here. And I think this color is Fresh Freesia, maybe. And then just the birds, which you could fussy cut out if you wanted to. And then another little bit larger floral than this one. And this one's on a blue background and this one's on a pink background, which might be the new Bubble Bath color. Or it could be Petal Pink. I'm not for sure. So yeah, she sent me a sampling of that. Thank you so much. Her name is Akiko, and she is local to me, which is why I'm ordering through her. Most of the year she's local to me. Anyway, yeah, so this is, if you don't have a demonstrator or if you want a catalog, find a demonstrator you like and request they send you a catalog, and I'm sure they'll be happy to get your business. There's a lot of pretty things in. I don't love everything, and I'm really trying to go through my stash, Stampin' Up! And non-Stampin' Up! And say, do I have something similar if it's on my yes, I like it list? And if I do, my decision process is either going to be I have to get rid of the old one or in order to buy the new one, or I don't buy the new one. And I'm trying to really be careful about the amount of paper I bring into the house now. But this lavender one, like on her card, I don't have that. It has a lot of purple in it. So if you are a purple lover, you will love this paper. I'm pretty sure. And if you love lavender, you will love this paper. So I love the paper. This doesn't do it justice. Watch a demonstrator who's showing it as a pre-order. Um, it's gorgeous, gorgeous paper. And let me see what else. I think there's a lot of paper in the celebration, but there's also some stamp sets. There's some for children. I think there's one called Jungle Pals Stamp and Dies, but it's like the stamp is free with $50 purchase and the dies are free with $100 purchase. Honestly, my budget was 100, but if I get the suite that this is, that's like $120 right there. So I'm already over budget just with one suite. So I don't know what I'm going to do because I really want to cut back on my spending in 2024. And I say that, and then things like free shipping day happen, and with $75 purchase, so I spent $75, 77 actually, just to get free shipping yesterday. Yeah, that happened. Anyway, yeah, the catalog's out for the January to April 2024 time period. The celebration, I think, is only 2 months. Yeah, 4 January to 29 February. So you can only earn free product while supplies last, in that time period. And you don't have to buy things out of the mini catalog to get the celebration. It's anything from Stampin' Up. So even things in their annual catalog, as long as you're spending 50 or $100 or whatever to get the items, 'cause they're all designated whether they're free with $50 or free with 100. And they have a new glass mat, but apparently it's only available if you sign up as a demonstrator in January through February, I think. I don't know. Check with your demonstrator. Okay, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.